you know the Dan, you know, the man, you know, the one, you know. Right now, me have a
Chaddy TV.
Chaddy TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that show, and such show. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper, say.
It's exploding right now.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea anthem. No girl can't see me and start problem. Them a man clowns so me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Shenseea anthem. Now fight no girl over no man, me no idiot. If me I take your man, me I keep that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And people are gone. Yo, me there with a little mix up because guess what? Me have proof. Say Shenseea and Romeich, them inner things. And then not just no more talk. Me have live proof. But before we go into the proof and before me present and show you where me have, you see me? Make we talk about Shenseea. You see me? Shenseea is a girl I rate, you see me? When me say me rate that girl, I mean she one of the strongest artists. She one of the strongest dancehall female artists. You see me? And me I go tell you why. You see, Shenseea, they do one tune when he am Ludi with Vybz Kartel. And remember now, you see me? A couple months after that tune they release, Vybz Kartel sent out the song on him official channel and say, yo, this song was never a collaboration. So instantly, the internet going on frenzy. Everybody start bash Shenseea. And you know the whole works. Because I tell them, you know, people, you see Gaza Nation. You see Gaza Nation and I know easy people for mess with. Nobody no really mess around the Gaza Nation. Nobody no grow on the Gaza Nation where the Gaza Nation considered as a diss. Nobody no do no diss the Gaza Nation to say now as a Shenseea they diss the Gaza Nation, you see me? But nobody no do the Gaza Nation nothing where them consider as a diss and live to tell the tale. People, you remember that lady there when named Lisa Anna? You must know her. She did Miss Jamaica one night time and now she is supposed to MP. People correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not to follow politics and music, my thing there, you see me? But correct me if I'm wrong, but she is supposed to MP. And she did forward out and say, yo, Vybz Kartel not supposed to get so much airplay and him there at jail. And the whole Gaza Nation did kill her. Box her down and kick her up wicked. You see me? Not literally, you know, people. Me mean like the attacks online. Yeah, man, them they deal with her way. You see me? And me can't talk about all of you there when you flex. One youth when you flex from out at TOK. Me never did know say man in a TOK name flex. Anyhow, that man did forward out and say something pertaining to that way the MP say. You see me? And him get beaten again. So what me I try show you say? Shenseea, a strong girl, cause watch her now. After Ludi, everybody thinks that Shenseea career would have crack up. Everybody thinks that Shenseea career would have stumble. But no, it come like say Shenseea career just gonna elevate and get stronger. Yo, right now, Shenseea are one of the biggest name them in a dancer right now. I mean, people are compare Shenseea towards Spice. Look at that. And Spice in the business a long time. Now I say Spice now go on good enough because everybody knows right now from ladies are gone. A Spice are run off a thing. Spice are the queen of the dance hall and all of those lovely things. But for one girl who just busted like 2016 and I get the comparison there to do with Spice, that means that she are going good. And right. I know she are going alone are going good. You see me? Because enough time we praise the artists them and no know say yo. Sometimes the artists them just are singing but the manager really pull the string. The manager really do it. You see me? And our manager is Romeich. So it's quite a while like people go around and talk and say, you know say it two of them deal, you know say them inner things, you know say them there, them a do things and not tell you say a lie. And them denied it over and over and years. I mean, people even find allegations say the pitney what Shenseea have. A Romeich pitney. People me don't know it go, me don't know if it's true, but me just a present to uno when me hear in the streets. And if you put Shenseea son, me forgot what the youth name, but if I put Shenseea son, pitched up beside Romeich, me I tell you, them kinda look alike still. So, me don't know what go on there, so, but the people are speculation that me don't know. Uno tell me in the comment section if uno know. But when me want to talk about right now and the proof when me have to present and show uno say Romeich is not necessarily only a manager. He might play more than a manager. You see me? He's like a man to Shenseea. I remember, you know, people, Shenseea did go over one part over one Caribbean island and say, yo, see me, so me don't know if I tell. She did a try tell people say, you know, say Shenseea, you know, say Romeich. You see me? Me don't know if I that she did a try say them time. But right now, on Saturday, Romeich keep him party. Big bad party, you see me? Half Waltham. And it go on good. Me do a review on that already. You can click the top right hand corner to see the review there. You see me? A party go on good. Me not telling a lie. But a part in the review when me never catch, or me should have say something go on at the party whenever in a my review. You see me? Where me never see the party. As a matter of fact, me never have the clippings there. But right now, me I go play a clip. Me gonna see what really go on. Me gonna see what me a talk about right now. So people, before when I talk about say yo, I know them, me I go show you where Romeich did a wear, and me I go show you where Shenseea did a wear. And you can't deny the fact say, are the two of them that. So uno no really want no more proof than that. You see me? The man give her a little kiss. You see it? Nothing special, nothing big. But Jano Star, what this mean for the Romeich entertainment? Set them forward out publicly. Nothing. I don't feel like saying nothing because people don't speculate say yo the two of them a deal. So this probably an even a shocker to nobody. But Romeich, remember, you know, mine how you mix business and pleasure, you see it? Mine, because look, right now, we don't have the leading team in a dancehall. And yes, me I go say it again. Romeich Entertainment right now are probably the leading team in a dancehall. Are the leading clan right now in a dancehall. And what? It's a corporate clan. So at them I make money in a dancehall on the pretty levels, no man. You see me? Gaza kinda one way, me not say Gaza mash up, but teacher they a jail. And them fraction out of the Gaza, Sparta, you have Unruly, you see me? And the list go on and on with the Gaza. Then you go so booms MVP. Yeah, MVP are going good, them not going bad. But right now, you see Romeich Entertainment, them have a good team and it's like they're marketable. So you go find probably Shenseea, can get some hits. You go find Ding Dong, can get some hits. And the man smart when the man draft a TG because what? Romeich Entertainment are like females them when it commands to Shenseea and the whole side is in. And Ding Dong, you know say yo, him right now, him of that era, a king for dancing, zin. And then you have TJ. Now TJ is a new youth who fought from Mobile. Him they done an established artist already before Romeich signed him. But what? TJ did have that bad man persona there. And at that Romeich Entertainment they lack the hardcore dancehall artist there. And at that TJ bring to Romeich Entertainment table right now. So what? Romeich right now, if them play them cards good, them unstoppable, man. You see me? So right now, I not really nothing but people still are going to know and say, yo, you know, say a long time I feel say them a deal. A long time X and this, X and Y are going. You see me? Which, as I say, some people know already and some people, they're really business. But you know the thing go. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and if you like this review, just click the like button, man. And if it's the first time watching, Thanks for watching. If you are a returning subscriber, turn on your post notification. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's I am DJ CHADDY, and I'm out.
Bubble your body for the up top boss.